Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Looking at buying a Defender? Here are some of the biggest mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number one, not understanding import laws. There's a very strict 25-year regulation here in the US and a 15-year regulation in Canada where no vehicles can be imported to this country unless they have never been modified and they're over 25 years of age. So at this point in time, we're starting to see some vehicles from the year 2000 being able to come in, but anything newer than that, unfortunately, would be rejected by customs. Mistake number two, overpaying for a poor restoration. And unfortunately, we've seen our fair share of those. Several clients have come to us with vehicles that they purchased from different brands, thinking that, of course, they look amazing, so pictures of Instagram or social media, etc. But unfortunately, by the time it got to them, it was a disappointment. And some of the things that you want to look into is, number one, how vehicles are built. Everything we do here at ECD is done from scratch, from A to Z, under one roof. In other words, we don't subcontract anyone to do a paint or a powertrain installations, etc. Mistake number three, ignoring rust issues. Now, of course, you can find a vehicle that may have a couple of spots here and there and not see beyond what's going on. But if a vehicle was not maintained properly or restored properly, you will see, of course, that could be deteriorating over time and have issues and consequences that you may regret in the future. What we do here at ECD is in every restoration, we take a base vehicle, dismantle it completely down to the frame. That frame then gets prepped, galvanized, and on top of that, we spray it with a Raptor liner to make it even more durable against the elements. Mistake number four, choosing the wrong engine. Many clients have come to us with nightmares after buying cars that had either the original TDIs or V8 engines that came to the States that unfortunately left a lot to desire. They really wanted to have a car that they can daily drive or use frequently without having to experience lack of power, reliability, of course, issues, and truly something that they can enjoy. The setup that we use with our GM powertrains has proven to be absolutely superb, not only for the way that they produce performance, but also their reliability and easy maintenance. We are happy to explain the advantages of the different engines that we offer. For those folks that want to have more of an original feel, we do have some diesel alternatives as well that may not be as fast as a GM Corvette engine, but they will give you that type of feel in old school character per se that the original Defenders had. But I'll tell you, probably 90% of our clients are looking for something that they can drive on the highway or through urban areas and really feel comfortable getting through traffic and going around and enjoying a good time with their families. Mistake number five, thinking that all Defenders are the same. And some people may not know, there's actually a few variations of a Defender. You have a Defender 90, two-door, Defender 110, four-door, Defender 110 crew cab pickup, and Defender 130 pickup. So there's always going to be one that fits your needs and your lifestyle. So don't think that a specific Defender that you saw is the only alternative for you. And of course, we'll be happy to explain the differences and see what fits better what you're trying to accomplish. All in all, I think that if you stay aware of these common mistakes, you will find yourself in a better position and truly find what's important to you in a Defender resto-mod. Again, if you have any questions, please drop them below. We'll be happy to help any way we can.